What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to be showing you how I've sold over 4,000 units of my low content books in around 4 months. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want to know exactly how I got my results, then go to the link in the description down below to Printing Profits, or you can get there by going to printingprofits.com. This lays out exactly everything that I have done to get my results. So let's head on over to my KDP reports and I'll show you that I've actually sold over 2,000 units of my books in around 4 months, which is absolutely crazy. Now, as you can see here from the graph, that I did have a really good February because, as you know, if you've watched any of my other previous videos, I had some really good days where my Valentine's Day notebooks really took off. And I've also had a pretty good March as well and sold quite a few units, as you can see from down here. So let's pull up all the data and have a little look. Now I don't get why, and it is really frustrating, but the longest time period you can put into your KDP reports is only 3 months. So I wish they would fix that. So let's have a little look. We're going to do the last 90 days. Let's pull up a calculator as well. So the last 90 days, let's just move that over. I've sold 1,975. We do add. And let's go, so that's from the 1st of January till April. So let's go back to November, mid-November. So let's do from the 21st until the 1st of January. Let's go back. Click apply. That's right. Add it into the calculator. 276 equals over 2,000 units sold. 2,251 units of my low content books. This is a new milestone for me. I think this is absolutely crazy considering I haven't even been doing this business that long. Now, because of all of these sales, the last 2 months, that being February and March, they were my best months to date for my royalties. So if we go to February, that way, January, February, let's do that again. February, yeah. In February, I sold 1,123 units. And if we go over to here, my AK dashboards, that was $2,847 in royalties. This was my best month, mainly because those Valentine's Day notebooks. And then if we go to last month, which was March, we can see that I sold, hold on, I sold 607 units last month in March, and that was over, let's do last month, and that was $1,566 passively in royalties earned. Now, I do want to consistently be making over $1,000. If I can consistently make this amount of money, that would be awesome. But now I have this income stream built up to a fairly good income, I am moving on to other income streams. because as you know, this business only takes a couple of hours each day to maintain and to create more books. Now, if you have any questions at all about low content book publishing, then come and join the Stackers Inner Circle. There will be a link in the description down below to come and join. This is becoming a really, really great community. If you have any questions, just come through, join and ask away, as I'm very active within the group. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.